Guys, check out these cool like cactus shorts that I found. Are those like not the niftiest things ever? Hey, what's up? Hello everybody, welcome back. So this week's video, I've been gone for a while, but I recently went on a trip to Southern California, and if you don't know, I bought a GoPro. So after coming back from this trip, I realized that I have no idea how to use it, because instead of taking videos, it just took thousands and thousands of photos. So what I thought I would do is I took some of the photos. We did like a bike ride on the beach, and I turned them into like a stop motion video of just us like riding bikes on the beach. So nothing too exciting. I do have other footage from my trip, so for the next couple of weeks, that's just kind of what I'm going to use to just put content out. And then I have some other cool things coming up. I have a trip to the NAB convention in Vegas, so if you're there, say hello. I'm going to Vegas again in May for my birthday. Basically, I have trips all year long, and so hopefully some cool videos this year, and not me just like scrambling for content all the time. But thank you for everyone who has subscribed recently. I did finally pass 800 subscribers, so shout out to everyone who help me out. Social media is linked below. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Also check me out on Instagram. I'm usually more active there. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next week.